Hey, FlippySize here, and welcome to my unboxing of the Snowball iCE microphone by Blue. So let's go ahead and get started. And by the way, I am using it to record right now, so you know exactly how it sounds. I do want to mention the difference between the Snowball iCE and the Snowball. The Snowball is $50 more, records in 360 degrees, and it has 3 special modes, while the Snowball iCE is $50 cheaper, records in one general direction, and has 1 mode. The box has a very nice texture, if I do say so myself, and there are the system requirements. It should work on almost any general device. And it is plug and play, which means you just plug it in and you can use it, no drivers needed. So here is the box, or the inside of the box, I guess I should say. There is a top box that contains the connector cord and the stand, as well as the booklet. The connector cord is extremely nice, one of the best on any electronics I have ever seen. It is a very thick cord, it is woven, and has plastic around it that will keep it from being broken for a long time. Next in the box is the stand. Again, for some reason with this product, it has a very nice texture to it, very nice finish. And it just screws right on, and it has 3 stands, which are metal, or at least feel like they're metal, and I thought they would be plastic, so that is a definite plus. They just have 2 settings, all closed or all open, and they just pop into place. Also, it was wiggling a little bit, but I will show you why. And when they are popped out, they are very secure, and there is no wiggling involved at all. Here is the little pamphlet you get that shows you how to connect it and set it up, and has a very nice man at the computer. So, if we go on to the actual the next box itself, it was very difficult to get out. It took me a good minute to get out. This is sped up, so don't worry, you don't have to wait the minute, but I did have to open both ends and then try and push it through, and even when I thought I had it, I still got stuck. So just be wary with that. Don't think you can just rip it out, because you won't be able to. So here it is. I thought it was cool, little mouth sort of thing, little arms, I don't know, I'm weird. And there you go, you can see it says Blue right from the outside, and then both sides unlatch just like any sort of little hole and slit. Alright, enough of that. Let's get on to the microphone. So it's literally just a sphere, but it looks very nice. It says Blue on the front, if I didn't mention that before, and it slides right out of the packaging, no tape or anything on it. So I want to show you guys what it looks like. Again, blue in the front with the red notification light whenever it is powered, the connector cord in the back, and then the connecting port on bottom for the stand. The stand screws on very easily, and I did want to show you guys that the bottom of the stand actually unscrews, which is why it was wiggling ever so slightly, but ever since then I have not noticed anything. It unscrews for the accessory you can buy that is shown right now, and it basically makes it taller and reduces vibrations that it picks up. And it looks pretty cool. It looks like a dream catcher. So there you go, guys. That's the microphone all put together. And then I did want to show you guys how tall it was. So using my amazing mathematical skills, I was able to accurately measure that it is 8 inches tall. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe for more tech videos.